Gloria be styling, why your haters wildin'? She be out here grinding, everything comes in timing. Click that button, subscribe, yeah. Catch this nice little vibe, yeah. Beautiful and blessed, she shine.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Gloria B. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, how are you guys? How y'all doing? How y'all coping? I need one favor though. All y'all that watch my videos, comment down below, what do y'all want me to refer to y'all as? And one thing, I'm not doing the gang. I'm not doing the mob. No. What do y'all want me to refer to y'all as? I know I said kings and queens, but like I need something that's more personal, like sis, bro. Like, what do y'all want me to call y'all? What family do y'all want us to be? And two, I've changed the name of my sessions. We're gonna call these Let's Be Real. Let's be real, because that's all I want to be to you guys. I want to be real. I don't want to get on camera and look like I got it all together. No, we're gonna talk. We're gonna be real, okay? Period. So let's get into the video. We talking about outgrowing people, and I'm doing this because a lot of people feel like you don't outgrow a person if y'all fall off in a horrible way, or y'all cut each other off because y'all don't want to deal with each other no more. Now, that's not the direct sign that you've outgrown somebody. You can outgrow a person and not know it. You can feel like it's something, but you don't directly know that you've outgrown it. But that's why I'm here, because your girl gonna help you. I'm gonna let y'all know, because I know I've grown a couple of people in my lifetime, and I don't mind sharing on how I knew that I outgrew them. Okay, period. Let's be real. So I said the first point is you think differently now than them. So basically I said your thoughts on wrong and right are different from theirs. Certain things about morals, certain things about values. Like I said, you're trying to be a better person now. So there's certain things that you did with this person or y'all used to agree on as far as what y'all do, what y'all don't do. Now you kind of leaning more towards the different direction. I said your perspective on money, success, and life has changed. You're looking at life in a different picture. You're looking at life in a different way. When y'all discuss and talk about things about money, maybe they like to blow their money. You trying to save your money, so you think it differently than them. Maybe they just want to sit at home and be a bum and live off mama or daddy or whatever. You want to get out. You want to get your own. You want to, you know, be successful. You want to start a career. Then your perspective on life has changed in general. So now you're thinking about life in a whole different direction. And it's because you're seeing the world differently, because you're shifting. You're shifting into another level. You're leveling up. You're glowing up. So different things that you've seen about life, or different perspectives or outlooks that you had on life, you no longer have that anymore. And it is different when you converse with the person, because now they still in their same place and you've matured or you've grown, and you start to take note of that. Because my next point is because now the conversation begins to change. And you feel like now the conversation is different. You feel like it's forced. You feel like it's awkward and it's unnatural. When you talk to them, because y'all not talking about the same thing, y'all not on the same level anymore, you feel like, man, like, you know, we don't even really have nothing to talk about. So the conversation be dry. I said the vibe is different. You have little or nothing to say to them. So you forcing it. When y'all texting, you feel like you gotta text them because this is your friend, or this is your family member, this is somebody you used to hang with. So you feel like you got to text them because I don't want them to think I'm acting funny. So you text them, they text back. Y'all already, you know, you thinking differently now. So when y'all do talk, it's kind of like, you know, it's just not there no more. Like, I used to get this feeling like the conversation just, you know, it's not fruitful. Like, we're not talking about bettering ourselves. We're not talking about, you know, so what are we talking about? Like, hours to reply back, or sometimes I don't even reply back to the next day. Like, I feel like I'm forcing it, and that's when you know you are growing people. Number 3 is you no longer do the same things together, period. When I be bettering myself, it's certain things that I just cannot do because I no longer feel like that's what I'm supposed to be doing, or that's what I should be doing. So for guys, my bros, like when y'all be talking to y'all guy friends, and you know, you kind of like, you're leaning more towards, I want to be faithful to my girl now, I want to be a family man, I want to get married, I want to settle down. But they still want to run the streets. They still want to do stuff that you know could get you caught up, could take away your freedom. And so now you like, you can't really just hang with them no more, because it's like you doing stuff that I no longer feel like I should be doing. For the ladies, you got your female friends, y'all do the sneaky links too. I say y'all because I don't. Okay, but y'all do the sneaky links too. Or maybe you got the friend, y'all be boosters, y'all be stealing out the stove heavy, and you decide that, you know what, I don't want to steal no more. If I can't afford it, I don't need it. Because you're glowing up, you want to experience new things. Because you're trying to be a better person on the inside, you want to do better things. So the things you used to do, you fall away from it, and you want to experience, you want to do things that will make you feel like, maybe you want to call y'all, you don't want to go steal, you want to call sis over, sis, come hang with me and my boyfriend, you being your boyfriend, and we all have game night, we have family night, or we, you know, we just get together, we talk, we chop it up. Or you call your bro, like, bro, you know, let's go double date, or, you know, let's go to church, dude. And they sitting there like, you got me messed up. You outgrowing them. Growing is a stage where you is out with the old and in with the new. You know, you feel like those things that you used to do, you can't do it no more. And the people around you are still doing it because they're choosing not to grow. They're choosing to stay in their old ways, and you can't stay in your old ways. Point number 4 is you don't share things with them anymore. Oh my gosh, this is so true. You do not share things with them anymore. And I wrote it down, and I know why I wrote it down. When you leveling up and you glowing up and you doing what you're supposed to be doing in life, God will start blessing you left and right. I'm telling you, things will fall in your lap, opportunities, life will just be so much better for you. And you'll want to tell your friends this, or you'll want to tell the people you associate with or hang out with. You'll want to tell them about it, but you don't want to share it with them because you don't want to come off like you bragging. You don't want to come off like you boasting. Or different things that fall in your lap, job opportunities, different things in life that's presenting itself as new opportunities and stuff like that. You can't tell them about it because you don't feel like they'll be happy for you, or you don't feel like, I don't want them to feel like I'm just talking about me or things like that. I said you don't want to talk about your new journey, but they'll criticize you or they'll sound irritated. Yes, facts. When you talk about anything that's going on in your life, good news irritate people. I noticed that. Good news irritate people they stuck in their ways, and they know they stuck in their ways, and they know what you're doing is right, but they don't want to feel like what they're doing is wrong. So when you talk about things that's falling in your lap, things that you know they could do or they could have, they'll sound like, okay, can't deny it. It is what it is. Point number 5, which ties into what I just said. They don't celebrate you and they don't support you. It's like they're not happy for you. If they a real friend, regardless of if they want to change their ways around, or they want to grow up or level up or mature, a real friend, they still gonna support you. They still gonna celebrate you. They're gonna be like, bruh, I mean, I know we ain't doing the same thing no more, but I really just want you to know I'm happy for you, and I'm glad you changing your ways. I ain't there yet, but maybe I'll get there. But now they just turn into, you think you better than me now, huh? You think you all that, and you like, you really, when a person say that and you really just on a journey on bettering yourself, when a person come at you like that, it be kind of like, wow, like it be so random, and you be like, you don't even know how to respond to it, because you be like, that's what you got out of this, that I feel like I think I'm better, or that I think I'm all that. You know what I'm saying? That's not even the point that you trying to get across whatsoever. Like I said, they'll come across like that, and a lot of that stems from the fact, and I'm just being honest with y'all, a lot of that negativity where like you think you better, or they start acting like, you know, you changing, it's because they be jealous. Real talk, they really just be, it be low-key jealousy, because they see the good that's happening for you. They see the glow, they see how your life is turning around for the better, and they looking at that, and it turns into jealousy because they don't have enough self-discipline to say, well, instead of me hating on bro, instead of me hating on sis, let me just change my ways too. Let me start this journey too. Nah, they just turn it into, now you think you better. This just negativity, it's just jealousy. That's all it is. And real situations, real life situations will bring out a person's true colors. That low-key jealousy because you doing what you're supposed to be doing now, you're growing. That jealousy was always there anyway. Now it's just finding a reason to rise, but they gonna mask it with the you think you better. They gonna turn it around, change it around on you, make it seem like you're the problem, but you're not. And that's just what it is, like, you know, but you're not the problem. And to take note of that is a true sign, because a person that'll sit there and down talk you on your way up shows you a lot about a person. Point number 6 is there is tension. Now, when I say there is tension, this is not necessarily a direct sign that you outgrown a person, but this could lead on to other signs that are noticeable that is saying, yo, I'm definitely outgrowing this person. But there's tension, like when y'all come around each other, when y'all meet up somewhere, it's no longer like that it's no longer like, oh, we just chilling, we just cool. Like, you feel that tension, you feel that negativity, you feel that jealousy, you feel that energy, them vibes that you shouldn't be feeling. You know what I'm saying? If you're on this journey and they're happy for you, but you feel tension, like you feel like something's off. You can't really put your finger on it, but when y'all text, when y'all talk on the phone, or when y'all talk in person, like you feel something like that shouldn't be there. You feel it. And that's like I said, that's not a direct sign, but that's an indirect sign that you outgrown somebody. The point number 7 and the last point is that you don't want to chill with them anymore. It has gotten to the point where you like, man, I don't even want to be around them. I feel that tension, I feel that jealousy, I feel that hate. I don't get no love. They ain't happy for me. I don't want to be around them, period. And this is the distancing stage. This is the cutoff stage. This is the fallout stage. Now, this stage right here is very critical. Listen to me. It's critical in this stage because this is where you make it or break it. This stage where you don't want to hang with them anymore, either it's good and y'all just end up falling off, you know, or it gets bad because y'all have a big fallout. Let me tell you something. If you gonna address somebody in this stage because basically you want to save the friendship, or you want to save y'all relations because you feel yourself distancing yourself from them, but you want to ask them about, dude, why you don't be happy for me, or why you come off like you jealous or something like that, and you want to ask them about it, be very, very mindful. Just be take good direction. Pray about it for the most part. Don't just go, because a lot of times it don't end well because a person feel like, oh, what you trying to say? You trying to say I'm a hater? You gotta be very careful about this. So take your time with this stage. If y'all end up distancing yourself from each other, then good, but don't necessarily try to confront the person because it don't end well a lot of the time. But this is most likely the final stage. This is when you like, man, you know, you start meeting people that's on the journey with you, or that's taking this journey. You start hanging with different company now because you're on a different journey now. I can't express it enough. Like, and you start falling off. Like, it really starts falling off. Now you realizing, man, I ain't talked to them since last week, and we used to talk every day. Or I ain't hung with them since last month, and we usually hang every week. This is usually the stage too when God started dropping people in your life that's own what you own, for real, for real. God like slowly remove people out your life, and he'll bring in the new people in your life that's really like own, that has a purpose, like they know they have a purpose like you have a purpose. They know that they supposed to be doing better and doing bigger things, and he'll start placing those people in your life. And this is the stage where you let go of the old and you bring in the new. These are my side notes right here. Respect everything that you notice. If you notice you got a hater as a friend and you growing, so you gotta cut them off, respect it. Don't force it. Don't force the friendship. Don't try to save it. Okay, you hear what I'm saying? A lot of times it be God. When you trying to do big and you trying to do better and you trying to fulfill the plans that he have for you, a lot of times God will like cause the people in your life that's not good for you, he'll cause it to fall off. So allow it, like allow it and embrace it. Let God do what he trying to do, okay? And move on in a healthy way. Like I said in my last point, don't try to fall off. Don't try to make it feel like it gotta be a big fallout for us to fall off. Move on in the healthiest way that's best for you. I was talking to my boyfriend about this, and I was telling him, I was like, how do you cope with a person that you've outgrown, knowing you love this person and you've known this person probably for a good bit of your life? Like, how do you cope with it? And he was like, he just move on in a healthy way. He just continue doing the things that he's trying to do, or a person will continue to do the things that they're trying to do to be a better person, or they'll just occupy that time that they usually would be spending with that person, they'll occupy it doing better things. And I was like, yeah, that's really, really true. A lot of times in the journey to being better, growing up and living up, we'll tend to start feeling like, man, it's getting kind of lonely on this road. It's getting kind of kind of empty. And you can't backtrack. You can't go back down that path and go grab somebody, try to make them come along. If a person want to change, if a person want to do better and be better, they're gonna have to make their choice for themselves. You can't force it. You can't try to make them, you know, do that with you. So like I said, move on in the healthiest way possible, because in the end, that person can tag along with you eventually. And you know what I'm saying? You don't want to have fell out with that person, and now you can't even mend the friendship or the relationship because y'all fell out with drama and stuff like that. Don't do it like that. Do it in the healthiest way possible. But I hope y'all really related to this video. I hope this video really came across to some people. If you have some people in your life like this, and you're in this video, these people come to mind, that's who I'm talking about then. So but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope that y'all can relate to this video, and I hope these videos, like I said, these sessions now that I'm doing is called Let's Be Real. This real talk out here. Life is real, so you can't get on camera trying to cap and stuff. And I ain't never trying to get on camera and trying to make it look like I'm capping, or try to make it look like I'm just high and mighty. I'm human like anybody else. You know what I'm saying? I go through life. I go through things like anybody else, and I'm so glad to share my experiences and share things that I've learned as a 24-year-old, and I have a lot of growing and a whole lot of more learning to do. So I'm so excited to be able to just open up to you guys on camera. Like I said, in the comment section, for real, let me know what y'all want to be called. I can stick to sis and I can stick to bro, but I don't think I'm gonna do the king and queen thing because I don't feel like it's natural. It come off a little king and my queen. It come off a little it didn't turn out as I thought it would. And I'm a sis and bro kind of girl anyway. Like, I naturally say what's up sis or what's up bro. I naturally do that anyway. So if that's what you want to be called, we could be a family. My subscribers, I really love and I really appreciate y'all. Like, I'm telling y'all, the things that I'm trying to do with my channel, I'm telling y'all, this quarantine has been lovely, and I can't wait to share with y'all the ideas and things that I'm trying to do. So I'm glad you guys watched my video. Make sure that you subscribe, comment, share, like, all of that stuff, period. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Y'all be blessed and peace.
I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see. Tell me who I need to be. Show me the God that's in me. I'm rocking with Gloria B. Show me what I need to see.